Excuse me, sir. Can you do me a favor? Can you listen to this for about 30 seconds and then just tell me what do you think it is and how does it make you feel?
Both of them?
Yeah.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
All right. Can you tell me what do you think it is? What do you think is it?
I'm not so sure what it is.
You don't know?
No.
All right. How did it make you feel? Because I seen your eyes were closed.
Well, actually, I feel like they took me to another world.
It took you to another world?
Yeah, I feel like it's like temporarily the world disappeared. Like I'm so focused on myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like relieved.
Can you do me a favor? Can you listen to like, I know it's weird, but like, can you listen to something for like 20 seconds and just tell me who do you think it is and what do you think it is and how does it make you feel?
That's the weekend, right?
Nah, it's not the weekend.
It's not?
Nah.
That's the weekend doing acapella, right?
Nah, that's not acapella. Something way different than the weekend. When you listen to it, how did it make you feel?
It made me feel good. It sounds like the weekend.
Only have two, so you guys ready?
قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر
You got Bob. You going on over here? That wavy, Ooh. Oh, they heard about this nigga.
You did?
Like, yeah.
It's something called Quran. Have you heard of Quran? It's like it's an Islamic book, and it's like a book that takes you to the right path. Let me know how do you feel, and what do you think it is? All right.
أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس.
All right. How did it make you feel?
It's very almost ethereal, like it's very light sounding kind of.
Yeah.
It evokes a sort of calmness.
Yeah. This is Quran, which is the Islamic book, which has never been changed, and like the words in there is just to take you to the right path. So.
It's interesting that you said it was a religious text because I'm generally anti-religion, but it does evoke calmness. I can see why you would want to join a religion that made you feel calmer.
Nice. Excuse me? Sorry. Can you guys listen to this real quick? And I just want you guys to tell me what do you guys think it is and how it makes you feel? Hold on.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين.
What do you think? What do you think about it?
This is Quran.
It's
Muslim, so you know I just listen to this to feel calm sometimes.
Are you Muslim?
No.
How did it make you feel?
It like made me feel great. It made me feel like a different person.
Was it like a better person, like good?
Better person, positive.
Excuse me? Can you do me a favor? Can you listen to this for like 30 seconds and let me know like what you think it is and how it makes you feel?
ياسين والقرآن الحكيم إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم.
Tell me, how did it make you feel? Huh?
It's the most beautiful thing I have heard all day.
You okay? Sure? Yeah. Sure?
I've just been homeless for so long.
Yeah. Yeah.
And words of such inspiration have not come by me.
Yeah. If you don't know, that's actually, it's called the Quran, which is the book of Islam, which makes you go to the right path. And it's the book that's never been changed. You good? You sure, man? Give me a hug, man.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all my brothers and sisters across the world. May peace and blessings be upon you all. Now, you guys might remember I did a video not long ago. Well, at the start of my YouTube channel, it was called the Quran Experiment. The public was reacting to the Quran as I played it into their ears. So now I wanted to kind of revisit that, do a part 2. But basically today, I'm going to get my friend Mikhail Mala, and he's going to be doing it live right behind their ear. So they're going to be hearing it straight away, but they can't turn around and basically going to see how it makes them feel. So we're in Birmingham today, inshallah. So I'm looking forward to it. Let's see how it goes.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
That make you feel?
Strife of life. It was solemn, but at the same time, it was as if there's hope. That's about it.
Wow.
Feeling my heart,
You feel it in your heart? How'd that make you feel?
Very relaxed.
Relaxing.
Yeah. What about you?
It was sad.
Sad? Okay. Was it like a negative sad or a positive sad? Like?
I think a positive sad.
A positive sad?
Yeah.
Okay.
More like a reminiscent or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reminiscence?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
Is it like a prayer before bed or anything like that?
That's smart.
Oh God.
What did you guys think of that?
I loved it.
Did you like it? Yeah.
Yeah.
How did it make you feel?
It reminded me of travelling.
Travelling? That's what you feel.
That was sick.
Yeah?
Yeah, that was so good.
Yeah.
Fair play.
How did that make you feel?
It was good.
What did you think that was?
It sounded like a prayer to me, just because his voice was so soft and nice. I'm actually reading a book about it at the moment.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the book called?
It's called God is One, and it's all about Islam and different, just to literally just educate myself, really.
Awesome.
So yeah, no, that was sick. I really like that.
Full.
How'd that make you guys feel?
Emotional.
Emotional.
And a little spiritual, I think.
Spiritual.
And his voice kind of resonated in my head and in my heart. It was lovely.
Wow.
Well, you know, I'll be honest with you, a bit
weird.
Weird, yeah? In a good way or negative way? A good way. Weird in a good way.
Scary.
Scary.
As you got into it, it's a bit therapeutic, wasn't it?
Therapeutic?
Yeah, it's not too bad, was it?
It was generally all right. It didn't worry me.
Didn't worry you? Soothing.
I don't know. It was real soothing. I haven't a clue what he's saying though.
Soothing, yeah.
Relaxed.
If you are by my side, Allah.
In terms of the effect that it maybe had on your soul, how did it?
Peaceful.
Peaceful?
Yeah. It was very heartwarming and moving. Inspiring even. Yeah. And that comes from a lot because look at me. So, yeah.
Wow. Heard that. How did that make you feel after listening to it?
It sounds weird, but I like the accent. It's not really the accent, but you know what I mean. Yeah. It's very mystical.
Yeah.
I like it because it's mystic. It's mysterious.
Yeah.
Because I don't know what they say, but I like the sound of it, and it's relaxing. I'll be honest. Sometimes I put it on Sky and just turn the lights out and relax.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah. Because I don't know what it is, but it is really relaxing. Yeah. And it's not someone shouting, God's this and God's that, and hallelujah, and they're jumping around the church. It's just nice, quiet. It's nice and relaxing, so that's my way.
It was alright, nice and relaxing, easy to listen to. Yeah. So yeah, it's like I said, it's not something I'm used to, but I liked it. I did like it. Yeah.
I don't know. It took me to a quiet place.
Oh, wow.
It's like. I don't know, just quite softening. Maybe just everything went quiet really, just it's gentle.
Yeah. So yeah, you just heard that. How did that make you feel after hearing it?
I feel a relaxed sensation. I don't understand what he's saying, but he's a nice voice and he's relaxed.
How did it make you feel?
A little bit sad.
Sad?
A little bit sad, yeah. I don't know. It was just something about his voice. It's kind of, and it was a little bit soft-spoken, so it was a little bit comforting in a way.
Yeah. comforting. So sad and comforting.
It's sad and comforting, melancholy.
Yeah, wow, okay, melancholy. I think it's sad and comforting at the same time. It's like almost, they kind of cancel each other out, but it's interesting that he said that.
Yeah. So, I don't know, it was like a melancholy feeling. It's like it was something I'd almost heard before.
Okay.
I don't know, it felt kind of good. It felt peaceful.
Peaceful?
Yeah.
Ever heard anything like that before?
Oh, no, I haven't. I never heard of it. Yeah.
How did you feel when you was listening to it?
Sort of free.
Free? Wow.
I don't know, it's just sort of like really happy, quite, I don't know. I felt like I was flying a little bit. It's a bit weird, that one.
Yeah?
I don't know, oddly, at some point I kind of felt, I don't know if I should say, like a calming or kind of peaceful kind of a vibe.
Yeah.
And at another point I was kind of feeling like searchful, like I wanted to question something, like inquisitive about, just like kind of as if I'm searching out something, I'm trying to work out something.
So how it made me feel, even though I'm not Arabic or I'm not Muslim myself, it made me feel as if I was travelling to Mecca.
Yeah, wow.
That's how it made me feel.
Yeah.